Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your lecture of grass anatomy for first professional students, and we'll start the gluteal region. I am Dr. Kalimullah, demonstrator, anatomy department, GKMC Swabi. The gluteal region. The bones of the gluteal region are the sacrum, the hip bone, the upper end of the femur. The ligaments are the sacrotuberous, sacrospinous, and sacroiliac ligaments, as these are shown all in this particular diagram. The subcutaneous tissue of the gluteal region. You can very well see the extent of the gluteal region. If you concentrate upon the gluteal region in the diagram on the right side, there are the level of the iliac crest shown by a straight dotted line, and lower down with the at the junction of the thigh, on the back of the thigh, you can see the gluteal fold. In between the gluteal fold and the dotted line, this entire portion, this entire region is called the gluteal region, and we will discuss about this particular region. The subcutaneous tissue is well developed and gives convexity to the gluteal region. The blood supply is from the superior and inferior gluteal arteries, and these are the branches of the internal iliac arteries. The lymphatics are drained into superficial inguinal lymph nodes. The cutaneous or sensory nerve supply of the gluteal region. Both of the right and the left gluteal regions, each of the region is divided into four quadrants regarding their nerve supply. The upper anterior quadrant, the lower anterior quadrant, the upper posterior quadrant, and the lower posterior quadrant. The anterior quadrant is supplied by the lateral cutaneous branch of subcostal nerve and the lateral cutaneous branch of the iliohypogastric nerve. The lower anterior quadrant is supplied by the posterior division of the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, which has L2 and L3 spinal segments. The upper posterior quadrant is supplied by the dorsal or the posterior primary rami of the lumbar 1, 2, and 3. The dorsal or posterior rami of S1, S2, S3 also supplies this particular quadrant. The lower posterior quadrant is supplied by the perforating cutaneous nerve, which is arising from segment S2 and S3, and by the posterior cutaneous nerve of the thigh, which arises from segment S1, S2, and S3. The muscles of the gluteal region, the superficial and the deep group. The superficial group forms the mass of the gluteal region, the entire mass, the bulge of the gluteal region. It is composed of three muscles. These are called glutei, and number wise these are the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and the gluteus minimus. The gluteus maximus is the extensor and the lateral rotator of the hip joint, and the gluteus medius and the gluteus minimus are abductor and medial rotators. The deep group, they adjust and stabilizes the hip joint, and they laterally rotates the thigh. These are the piriformis, the obturator internus, the gemelli, and the gemelli are two. These are the gemelli superior and the gemelli inferior, and the quadratus femoris muscle. The gluteus maximus, it arises from the ilium, the adjacent sacrum, and the coccyx. Upon the ilium bone, there are three lines: the posterior, anterior, and inferior gluteal line. From the posterior gluteal line, the gluteus maximus muscle arises. It inserts in the iliotibial tract and the gluteal tuberosity. The iliotibial tract goes downward and attaches upon the lateral aspect of the knee joint in order to fix the knee joint. The nerve supply is from the inferior gluteal nerve, and the blood supply is from the inferior and superior gluteal artery. Its function is it is hip extensor and hip abductor. The gluteus medius, it arises from the posterior ilium or the posterior iliac bone in between the anterior and the posterior gluteal line. It inserts upon the greater trochanter of the femur, and its nerve supply is from the superior gluteal nerve, and its blood supply is from the superior gluteal artery. The action is it is abductor and medial rotator of the thigh. The gluteus minimus, it arises from the posterior ilium in between the inferior and the anterior gluteal line, and it inserts upon the greater trochanter of the femoral upper end. The innervation or the nerve supply is from the superior gluteal nerve, and the blood supply is from the superior gluteal artery. Its action is abduction and medial rotation of the thigh. The tensor fasciata is a small muscle. It arises from the anterior superior iliac spine, present at the interior aspect of the iliac crest. From this particular point, another long muscle of the anterior compartment of the thigh arises, that is called the sartorius muscle. It inserts in the iliotibial tract, and through the iliotibial tract it goes downward and inserts on the lateral aspect of the tibia and stabilizes the knee joint. The nerve supply is superior gluteal nerve, and the blood supply is superior gluteal artery and lateral branch of the circumflex femoral artery. The action is abduction, medial rotation, stabilization of the hip and that of the knee joint.